Here's a new 2019 Buick Enclave. Ample seating and storage, inviting interior space, and thoughtful technologies make this Enclave the inevitable choice for an SUV. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, active grille shutters, automatic with driver control suspension management, and automatic transmission. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Garber Buick, 5925 State Street in Saginaw, Michigan.